So the first step is to simply log in into your Linktree account. And as you can see here, we have the overview. So I have two different options here. The first one is the links one, and then we have the shop one. So in order to enable this and use this feature, you're gonna have to go to shop here on the left side and enable this option, which is completely free. So you don't have to pay for anything. Then you're gonna be able to start adding your product. So simply click on add, and then here you can select if you want to add a collection, you can do that, or you can simply add a custom product. So simply click on that, and then what we're gonna have to do next is simply paste the link. Now I've used this Shane product, a random product, for this tutorial, but you can add whatever product you're selling to your audience, and then it's gonna look something similar to this. Now, if you want, of course, you can click on that. So you can click on the title and start changing the URL, the title, the price, as you can see here. You can change the currency and even the image. And of course, if you want, you can simply delete the product from your Linktree shop. Now, another great thing about this feature is that you can see the amount of clicks this product gets and the CTR. So this is the click-through rate, the percentage. And basically that's all for today's video. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.